once they cannot benefit from you, or there's nothing for them to take from your table, then guess what, boys? It's game over.
You make something from nothing through the words that you speak from the dust.
And guys, welcome back to another video. We are back at it again with a major update on this dirty bad boy. Let's see this. Whee! Now you guys can see it. There's a dirty bad boy 2GR Mark II that is extremely dirty. Anyways, guys, when it comes to turbocharging the 2GR, we are not doing it. Nah, boys, we're still doing it. It's just not anytime soon, boys. I spoke to Ty a couple of days ago, and there's actually two GR turbos in front of me, and I'm thinking a month and a half for each one of them. So that's 3 months. So, man, I don't even think this car is going to be ready for Bear Mountain, to be honest. I really don't. It is May 17th. Bear Mountain is 4 months away. It's going to be a very, very close. Yeah, I don't even think so. I don't think so. So, I don't even think so. We might just take it the way it is if we do have it back. I don't want to work on the interior just yet, just because, I want the best of the best. And I want to make sure that I don't cheap out. If I start doing my interior now, I'm gonna be a cheapo guy, and just settle for the less. And that's something I don't want to do with this car. So, boys, that being said, no cheapos around. So the plan is simple when it comes to this car. After we get the car back, hopefully before Bear Mountain from TCS Motorsports, we'll go ahead and finish the interior. And if we don't have time, should we drive it to Bear Mountain? I don't know. Comment below. Maybe. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, boys. I've barely driven this car, man. Even when I got it back from Angel with the, he did the fuel pump replacement, and I think I've had it maybe 5 miles since then. 5 miles since then. I actually just drove it once, and it was to a meet, Cars and Coffee meet on a Sunday about 2 months ago, give or take, 2.5 months ago. Or maybe 3, I don't know. And that was the last time I've driven this car. This car is just sitting here. I think I've added 100 miles tops since I got it from Ty at TCS about 2 years ago. Again, we are just building this car from the ground up. And it's definitely going to show once it's done. Definitely going to show. I've invested around 21, close to 22 in this engine bay. With everything, shipping, forward and back, like 21, 22, I'll say. In the car alone, about 15. And then the turbo kit is going to be another 20. So, yeah, boys, I believe I'm going to keep this car forever. I'm never going to sell this car. And I'm just going to enjoy it. I'm just going to enjoy it. So, guys, before we start on the Brown Mark II, man, I really want to show you my detail setup. It's, man, amazing. I love it. I'm into detail. I am learning about detail, man. This is my passion right now. It was MR2s. MR2s on the back burner right now. Not yet. But just because we're going to go look at an MR2 today in a couple of hours, maybe in an hour or so, we're going to go look at an MR2. Anyways, guys, my passion right now relies on detailing cars. I've been learning a lot how to polish, detail, ceramic coat, a whole bunch of stuff. As you guys know, I did wrap my red Lexus IS300 to a blue. I'll probably just show you a walk around video right now of how it looks. It looks amazing. It's amazing, guys. Now, that being said, we've purchased a whole bunch of parts to that car. Spoiler, lip, side skirts, pretty much a whole nice. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna look amazing. Yeah. But yeah, man, this is my passion right now. It's detailing, and we're thinking about opening a side business, like a detailing business and whatnot. So just wait for that. Wait for that. The plan is to, start it off, start an LLC, start it off, do a business, and then just have some people working it, and me just collecting the money. That's what I want to do. I've already detailed a couple of cars, so we're doing good. Oh, as you guys can tell, I lost some pounds. I am much skinnier now. Depression is something very serious, and yeah, man, we're just going day by day. I remember the days that I used to work in with grandpa outside in the ground, in the concrete, in the floor, and man, I would trade everything, all this stuff, for those moments. So yeah, man, we're staying strong, we're living, and what else can I say? Mental health is a big issue nowadays. I think it's mental health for the guys this month. I'm not sure, something going on with that. Like I was saying, this is my detailing setup. I spent about, I would say, just in products, I have about $1,200-$1,300 just in products, guys, just in products. Man, I love the rag company. I love what's this thing called with the V, Viking company. I got the Karcher, got the Cox reel, got all my products. I have pads, brushes, whatever you name it, I have it. Man, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This smells amazing, guys. I actually bought a whole case just because it smells amazing. We have what you call this. This is paste wax. Yeah, man, we have it all. Now, of course, my favorite thing from everything is gonna be, the Quantum Wave, the APC. There you go. But yeah, man, I love it. I love it. I love it. And yeah. But yeah, boys, like I was saying, we're going to go look at an MR2 in the next hour or so. We're going to be driving in the next hour or so. And then once we come back, we'll start working on this bad boy. We got to do, we got to clean, paint the rear fender wells or wheel wells, whatever you want to call it. We also have to do the suspension of the rear. And we just got to clean the interior. And then hopefully wash the car, and it's ready to paint. Now, I'm not sure when I'm gonna send it out to paint, just because the painter supposedly was supposed to take it last month, but he's extremely busy. So we're just gonna leave it ready. So whenever he's ready and he's able to take in the car, then we're good to go. But yeah, boys, let me get ready. We'll start the drive. This is gonna be a vlog, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna look at the MR2. Now, I'm not gonna record it. I'll record it if we do the deal. If I do the deal, I get the title, I pay the guy, I whatever he wants to do, I'll show the car. If not, if it's 50-50, because he does, well, I'm not gonna give it away. He still needs the car for now. I'm not gonna give it away. If I say too much, you guys will know. Especially you local guys. You local guys are heartless. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna record it. I'm not gonna record it. I'll record driving over there and maybe the car under or whatever. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Dale.
Esta hora ya le explico mi motivo y quién soy yo. Y que escuches estúpido en el altar y el público. Voy a contar la historia de un amor. Hace un año que rompimos, como locos nos quisimos los dos compartir un corazón. Jamás hice casa para intentar volver a ver.
And guys, I know you guys got questions. We just got back. We looked at the MR2 and whatnot. Anyways, guys, this is a very, very small world. MR2 community, very small MR2 community. Anyways, guys, the way I found this car, I saw it on Facebook Marketplace and whatnot about 2 weeks ago. I hit up the owner, and actually I followed the owner, and he followed me on Instagram. So you already know, I'm super quick with it. 2 weeks after, today, we went ahead and we checked out the car, spoke to the owner, and bro, Teddy, aka Lewis, the GOAT, from Miami, he actually spoke to the owner way back about buying the car. So there, I'm gonna take a step back. I'm gonna call Lewis in a little bit, just talk to him, see where his mind's at. Does he want the car? Does not? Now, if Lewis doesn't get the car, then I'll go ahead and I'll put in an offer for it. But the way it's looking, I'm not gonna interfere. And the reason being is just because this owner, he still has to remove the motor, he has to remove the BC coils, he has to remove the radiator. So there's a few things that he has to remove, and from what he was telling me, he is gonna take him a while. He's super busy, works 5 days, has a trip, an upcoming trip. So it's gonna take him a while, about 6-7 months. I'm not sure, that's what he told me. So that being said, yeah, I'm gonna call Lewis in a little bit, and we'll go from there. But the way it's looking is I'm not gonna get this car. I'm gonna fall back just because Lewis is my boy, my friend, my good friend, and we don't do those. We don't do that, okay? Yeah, I don't know why he listed it as a shell when it was motor still in it. Nice motor. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Yeah, but I don't know. Anyways, guys, that being said, we're not gonna, most likely not gonna get that car, but I'll speak to Lewis in the next 20-30 minutes and see what he says. If he doesn't take it, then I'll possibly jump on the car and whatnot. But yeah, boys, let's get to work on this brown one. But before that, I do want to wash my cars. It's super hot, so I'm thinking about we're gonna do this at night. It is late in the afternoon, or well, 2 o'clock and 2 p.m. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the car. I'll probably do a little video editing, a little bit of cinematic videos and whatnot, and then we'll start working on this car at night, just because it's super hot outside, and yeah. But yeah, boys, that's what I got. That is the update on that MR2. Taking a step back for now. We don't know. I gotta speak to Lewis. Yeah, I'll do that later on. Anyways, guys, before we start washing the cars, I'm gonna give you a detailed walk around of my detailing setup and show you what I got, what I'm working with, and maybe you get inspired. Make a detailed business or wash your car or whatever. I don't know. And honestly, I don't care. It is what it is. Something that I learned, and I do care, but I don't care. Something that I learned, man. I learned this, and it took me a while, guys. Boys, stick it to your head. Nobody cares, guys. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. So if you have 1, 2, 3 friends that are very close, and your bubble's tight, then bro, take care of them. Just because nowadays people just want to use you. They just want to use you. If they can't benefit from you, then guess what? You are gone. You are meaningless, guys. Shout out to Lewis. Shout out to Wilkie. That's pretty much it. Lewis, Wilkie, and maybe 1 or 2 more here and there. But everybody else is just like, everybody's just out here to get you, They can't benefit from you. It is what it is. And I learned that the hard way, We are here alone. Social media is just fake everywhere. Being said, boys, yeah, that's what I learned. It took me a I'm talking about a very long time when it comes to the car scene, MR2 community. Man, I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, man, people will use you. They will use you. Once you have no benefit for them, once they cannot benefit from you, or there's nothing for them to take from your table, then guess what, boys? It's game over. Ain't nobody coming to save you. Ain't nobody gonna check on you. Ain't nobody gonna no, bro. A lot of people nowadays are very envious, are very jealous. So bro, just live your life. Take care of your family. Stay healthy above everything else. Jesus is king, and yeah, let me show you my cleaning. Let me show you my cleaning products, and then we'll wash the car. We'll call Teddy, my good friend Teddy, and yeah, that's what I got. Dale, 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 que lo que, que lo que, que lo que, que lo que, que lo que. Alexa, pon música. Both of them are washed. Fresh to death. Boys, I'm gonna close it out here, boys. I just finished washing the car. It is 9:04. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm just gonna watch the NBA game right now and just call it a day. So I hope you guys have fun. Enjoy your Sunday. I'll probably upload this video tomorrow, but you already know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.